Hey, what's up, beautiful people? This is Savvy, and you are tuning into Savvy by Nature TV. Thank you for returning. I appreciate it. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click the notification bell so that way when I post new content, you are advised. It's greatly appreciated. So, this project, it took less than an hour. It's less than $75 total for me to do this project. I decided to use the Mainstays over the door mirrors from Walmart, as well as the Velcro command strips. Also purchased at Walmart. The links are below in the description box. I do have an affiliate account with Walmart, so when you do click on those links, it also helps me as well. So thank you in advance. As I advised, this project was pretty simple, straightforward. You just want to make sure that you use the Velcro. Don't use the double-sided tape that I posted in the original clip because I used it at first and the mirrors fell. So we want to, learn from my mistakes. Go ahead and use the Velcro strips. I would just use 2-inch strips. I use 4 per mirror. So that's pretty simple, straightforward. Of course, it's going to be left, right, top, bottom. 2-inch strips, that's all you need. Any other supplies that you might need, like the leveler, the scissors, as well as the tape measure and a pen, get them at the Dollar Tree. That's $4. There you go. Easy peasy. Anyways, as I advised, simple process, simple tutorial, simple project, and takes little to no time with a high impact look. So I decided to use 10 mirrors, 5 on each wall. I mounted them horizontally, but in a vertical pattern. It just gives it a more modern, sleek look, and plus also just how my dining room is configured. As you see, one wall is bigger than the other, so I decided to take advantage of that. Moving forward, any other items in the dining room, I'm not finished with that project, so I will be posting a video of that, and I will also have the links for the items like the curtains, anything else. But for right now, this is just a video on the mirrors. I want to thank you so much for tuning in. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the commentary now. And I just want to wish you guys the best. Peace and light to everyone. I know that it's a tough time and we're getting through it. Thank you once again. And I hope that I get emails, comments, and videos of this project, of you doing this project. Thank you so much. Bye.